in the house for the next hour. Welcome to Upland Downtown Lemon Festival. I was born and raised here, so I love this place. We're doing this from the heart of love, and we're here for you. So here we go. We got a little bit of everything. Little Lenny Kravitz coming up. And if I'm right, we're headed straight for him. 'Cause I'm gonna love myself away from the lot of secret. He wants to find love that he's got one. He see me crazy. Shut my face, shake me like a red dog, but that sound a real big. I'm not sure what it is, 'cause I made it go better love. And baby, I'm begging you, put your loving hands out, darling. I'm fighting hard on my own, but I just can't make it. Oh Lord, I'm just a calm, I'm fading back. I can't hold on, I'm fading back. I'm begging you, put your loving hands out, baby. I'm begging you, put your loving hands out, darling. I'm begging you, put your loving